Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video we will start configuring the security policies. So we need to create all these rules, and our policy rule should look like this. But before, we need to create all these hosts and networks. So if we scroll down here, we can see that we have this is a host. We need to create a cluster. So add our gateways to Smart Console, create hosts like these, and then create networks. So if we go to our Smart Console here, we can see that we only have our SMS server here. So we can start by creating our AGUI host. So we click New Host. We can call it a GUI as it is. The IP address is, we can check here, check our topology, is 10.1.1.201. Okay, so 10.1.1.201, and we click OK. So we do the same with the ASMS is already there. The AGW cluster, I will do it lastly. So the ALDAP. So back here, new host. So ALDAP, and the IP address is 9. And the IP address is, let's look up again, 1101. Okay, and click OK. The next thing is the ADMZ, and it's 1201. So new host ADMZ, again ADMZ is 1201, and click OK. What we have still not done here. And now we can create these networks. So back to our new and network. And here in the network we need to configure the NAT option. So this first one, I int NAT. It is 102.0. The NAT, I will explain the NAT inside the course. But for now, okay, add automatic and hide NAT. Okay. Two more networks. We have the management network and the DMZ network. So again, new network, MGMT NAT. It is 10.1.1.0 and 24 mask NAT. Press OK. And lastly, network ATMZ NAT. It is 192.68.12.0 and 24 mask. NAT is hide. And okay. So now we have created all these. The Wi-Fi net, I'm not going to create this because I don't have a Wi-Fi device to test. And we need to create the AlphaNet. The AlphaNet will include all these networks. So to create the AlphaNet, go there and we create a network group, and inside it, so AlphaNet, and inside it we add our networks, the ADMZ, AIntNet, and A management, and press OK here. Something more. The only thing that is still needs to be configured is the cluster. Okay, so now we can publish these. Publish. So now we need to create our cluster. So we go there, click here, cluster, and cluster, and we choose the classic mode. So we will add these two directly as a cluster. So we give it a name, a cluster. The IP address will be 10.1.1.1. So all interfaces in this gateway ends, IP addresses ends with 2, and in this gateway ends with 3. So the cluster, all interfaces on the cluster will end with 1. So we can comment that here. It's open server, the versions are 8120, and it's Gaia. And now we go there to add members. So add new cluster member. So first we add this one. So the HW01. The IP address is 10.1.1.2. And we can choose another color here. Click on communication. And here we need to add the SIC password. You must remember that when we deployed our servers, we chose a password for the SIC. So now it's time to use it. Admin, and initialize. So now we can see that trust established. So click close here and OK. And now, so now we have the first gateway added. So now we add the next one. So HW02. The IP address is 10.1.1.3. Give it pink, and communication the same. The SIC password again, and initialize. Now we can see trust established also. Close. Okay. Okay. Okay, before that we need to configure the interfaces. So we go to network management here and click get interface without topology. And now it will pop up all the interfaces. Okay, so as we can see here, our virtual IP is private. So we need to configure that. And this is a thing that we will do in the next video. So that was for this video. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.